Same thing today. I forgot to bring my 4S adapter. Yep. So let's try without that adapter. I don't know if I'm going to jump it, but I need to test that 4S. I mean sorry, xt60 Velcro stuff. Right? Oh, let me see if I locked my car. Yeah, I did. Okay. Let's try some speed one first. Bunny hop or something. No, I don't know. No, I don't know. I don't think so. Yeah, it's so easy to flip the chuggy. Come on, I don't want to flip that much today. Oh, slippery here. I cannot see my truck. I cannot see my truck. Where's my truck? Yeah, like I said, if I stand on that usual spot, I can see it. But if I don't stand up there, I cannot see my chuggy. Yeah, it's dirty. Okay, thank you. Yeah, right now I can self-ride a little bit faster, so that before they come over, I should be able to self-ride a little bit faster. Yeah, this is a weapon if I hit someone, so... Ooh! That hurt. That hurt. Yep. Oh, the cover is... Yeah, because I have to be careful too, right? Two-wheel thing on 4S. 4S two-wheel thing. Oh, okay. Can you guys see it? Two-wheel thing with 4S. Yeah, the two-wheel things on 4S. Uh-oh, I hit my... Nice one. Only one flip, but... Oh, it's fun. Yeah. Too bad this is not... this is not the cheater. That is... Let's do this again. Oh, you can read it on grass too with a 4S. That's amazing. This is amazing. Mini Maxx. For real. I don't want to crash onto that tree. Thank you. No, I'm not going to do that. Yep, I don't need self-ride today. I already have a lot of self-ride here. Oh, yeah, seems like the plug is working, but that flip, it just came loose. Cause that's a big impact, right? I don't know. somehow I didn't land it that good on that one. Like I said, I'm a rookie on jumping, and this trucky I still need to learn how to control it on the air, because it's different from the rustler. The rustler is easier. So yeah, 1 flip no problem, 2 flip I have problem because I cannot control it that well. So far it seems like it's holding up. Yeah. Oh, saved it. Is it? Oh, saved it. Oh, looks like something is banned. The body is banned. Let's do 2-wheel thing. Yeah, I don't really need to self-ride today. Thanks, thank you. Yeah, but yeah, that's why I want to test. Right? I want to test the self-ride too. But anyway, not really testing it. We know that it can do self-ride on 4S anyway. Let's, huh? Not really. Once a week. Yeah, let's do front flip. Oh! Oh, I cannot see the chuggy because, yeah, I cannot see my chuggy. Yeah, it definitely can do front flip when it jumps, but the thing is, I just cannot see it because one of them is in my way. I cannot see that. Yeah. Let's see. Let's try to do it again. Front flip. LVC first stage hit. You can see that, right? I have no power. Because I was doing so much speed 1 on the grass. Oh, cannot self-rise anymore because I'm on the first stage of LVC. So I don't think I can do self-ride anymore. Yeah, thank you. No, you cannot do wheelie. So you can see LVC first stage. Oh wow, it still can do it on and off. Yeah, 50%. It's like 50%. That means it's like the kids mode. Yeah, I think the kids mode is 50%. Okay, we'll see. Open it and check it out. Maybe overheat. Oh, overheat. It's temperature. You guys can see that light. Temperature light is flashing red. So overheating. So I will let it cool down.
What's hotter?
And what is hot? The motor or the ESC? I think the ESC.
Am I hot?
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's see the plug. The main thing I want to test. Yeah, the plug is still holding on, but it's coming off like on and off. So I think I should do one more Velcro on it so that it can hold on to it. Yep. If I put one more Velcro on there, it should work perfectly. Okay, look at that. Temperature light is stopped blinking. So does that mean it will work? Yep. It worked, but how come the temperature light is on? I don't really understand. Totally on. It didn't blink, but it just stayed there like red. So I don't really understand why it's doing that, but let's see how much power I have first, and we will determine what is that light telling me. Yeah, I need to know what those lights are telling me first. Yep, still on low voltage. So that means probably that light is telling me that I have low voltage and also overheating. I don't know, because that's only that light. Can it still do a two-wheel thing? Yeah, it still can do it. Yeah, it still can do that two-wheel thing. Oh. No, it cannot do self-ride anymore. Oh yeah, it need a bath for sure. Look at this. That looks sick. Okay, forget it. It still can run, so who cares? As long as it still can run. Yeah, it's so easy to flip. Yeah, since I already at the first stage of LVC, let's just drive around and tell you guys what I did to this truck. For the past few days, I didn't drive it, right? What happened is last week I was playing on the snow, right? And I forgot to plug my maybe I should put my 3S back on there. Oh, well, it still work. Thank you. Yeah, so what happened is last week it was snowing, right? The ground is with snow and water. And what happened is I didn't plug the hole for all of my wheel. And what happened is it soaked it into there and it cracked my plastic on the tire. I mean the rim. So my rim is all cracked, right? What happened is afterward, I was like thinking, come on, traxxas. Remember that my rustler? I didn't post any video at winter time, you know, when I first got that rustler, right? So, but you know, I did play in the snow without covering those holes on my rustler before at the beginning, because I was lazy or something, I don't know, right? And it's still good, you know. Let's do two-wheel thing. Oh, no. Almost. I just want to. Yep, that's me. That's not traxxas. It still have a lot of power. Like I said, that 3S battery have more power. Ooh. Oh, that hurt. Oh, that hurt on the concrete. Yeah, let's talk about that. Two-wheel thing. No, not talk about the two-wheel thing. Just want to do two-wheel thing and talk about something else. Well, talk about that tire. Yeah. What happened is I have to use super glue to glue the crack, all the crack, right? The water-based one. Yeah, the water-based super glue, so that I will not have air or water to go into it again. Can it do it on grass? Oh, LVC. Yep, see? Last stage on 4S. Done. Yeah, so if I don't know if I can show you guys right now. I did plug it again. Like I did plug it, plug all my hole right now. But one thing is, what happened is, I still have water in there. So it's running with water inside my tire right now. So. And also, like, I have a video for this tire. I have to talk about. I have to talk to you guys about this tire. It's so hard to find a tire that is 2.8 with a, you know, with that 17mm hacks, right? You guys probably say, oh, why do you change tire, right? I will let you guys know why I didn't change the tire, right? There's a lot of things you have to do if you really want to change tire, right? And yeah, it's not that expensive besides the tire, but still. Okay, let me put a 3S back on there and we will finish up the battery and go home.